How to hide taskbar in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can hide your taskbar in your Windows device. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings. Search for settings and open it up. After you hear, what you'll need to do is head over to your personalization. And after you're on the personalizations section, here you will find multiple options. Head over to taskbar. After you're on your taskbar, you will find multiple options again. Scroll down and there you'll see taskbar behaviors. So tap on this. And right here, all you have to do is automatically hide the taskbar. Enable this. And then your taskbar will get hidden. And it's that simple. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.